6:30 in the morning. I've got eggs, bacon, sugar for coffee, and we got two things to do today. We have to mount something on my bumper for my truck camper, and we have to get my boat to plane. So that's what we're doing today. For a full week, this engine has been sitting on my kitchen floor. It's been driving me nuts, and so I have found a mount right there to attach to my bumper and to mount my engine on the back of my truck camper. So I basically just drilled holes through here and put bolts in. It's very stable. What I am gonna do though a little bit later today is I'm gonna get a bracket, just like an L bracket, to bolt down in here and then through here, just to give it a little bit more support. And then there's a lock on the back here so that people can't steal it. They can't loosen this off and take the engine off. So the next step is to get my boat out on the water and to be able to plane a little bit easier. So what I bought was a high performance hydrofoil. Also, I bought a smaller propeller. So this smaller propeller will give me more thrust to get out of the water. I think I'm gonna start with the propeller. All right guys, let me show you what I've done here. So I changed the prop out, and then I also changed the height of where the engine sits. And yes, I know this purple duct tape does not look good, but it's just temporary. So I just jacked it up a little bit to get it a little bit out of the water. And apparently this fin right here is supposed to meet the bottom of the boat. So I feel like I got it closer to that. It was a little bit lower. And so we're gonna try this out. So I'm out of the water right now. I changed the prop. I boosted the engine up. Before it was taking kind of like 5-6 seconds to plane, and I have to sit like way at the front. And so let's just try sitting here, and we'll just give it a little warm up, and then we'll see what happens. I got to plane pretty easy now, and so we're just gonna get Rebecca on board. And that was the issue last time, was with two people, there was just no way. And so we'll see what happens. All right, predictions, babe? It's gonna work, so I don't get frustrated. I don't have to put that plate on. I still have that hydrofoil plate, and I bet that would work, but I just don't want to drill. You got to drill holes into the outboard, so I don't want to do that. So hopefully this works. So we're in like this little wooden bench seat, and we're about halfway up the boat. This better work. How close am I right now? This better work. Sit at the front, I'm sitting leaning forward, but now we are on plane. Things are good, we're just ripping along. I still might put the hydrofoil fin on, we'll see. What's the plan now? What are we doing? Check this out. We're matching. We're completely matching. We're gonna go get some Timbits. We thought about getting some coffee and Timbits. Dear. Hi.
But I have to check the bank.
No, it's okay. We'll get this one, buddy.
No, I am really.
Okay, it's ready. Thank you.
So there's a guy ahead of us in line, and he turned around and he was extremely drunk, and he insisted that he pay for our Timbits and coffee. And then he went up and he took about 5 minutes trying to put in his PIN to his Visa, but he kept putting in the incorrect password. And now he's sitting out here. Super nice guy, but very intoxicated. So for those that don't know, these are Timbits, and it's a little slice of heaven.
Sprinkles.
Now, which ones are your favorites? This one is?
Yeah, that one.
And
sprinkles.
And sprinkles?
Yep.
What about
and
sour
chocolate.
cream and sour cream?
Is that sour cream?
Yeah, that's sour cream.
They're all good. They're all good. I'm so happy we didn't get any of the dark ones. Such a good day.
Yeah, we did.
Ah.
We got one. Nobody likes these ones. They're like the old-fashioned ones. They're not bad with the coffee. And the sun's come out. Look at that. No clouds in the sky anymore. This morning was a bit dreary, but it's nice now. We're on the boat. We've got the fedora. I'm surprised. Rebecca doesn't mind it. All my friends give me a hard time wearing this fedora. I like it. I like it. We're checking out this beach right here. We just want to go hang out on a beach. I'm gonna get the drone up. This is everything I ever wanted, right here. Woo! Drone, boat, girlfriend, what more can I ask for? I better land this because it's on dead battery. Guys, that's it for me. That's it for us today. Hope that you guys keep living that dream. Subscribe if you want to. Until next time, my friends, take care and
Bye-bye.